Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best car cleaning kit that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Chemical Guys HOL 169 16-piece Arsenal Builder Car Cleaning Kit. You don't have to be a professional cleaner to keep your car nice and shiny at all times. The Chemical Guys HOL 169 is undoubtedly one of the best car cleaning kits for the car cleaning geeks. It contains 16 valuable items, including the widely acclaimed Torque Professional Foam Cannon as well as a heavy-duty car detailing bucket. With this kit, you'll be able to clean your car from start to finish. A range of products for windows, wheels, and paint will surely help you have the brightest car around. Besides chemical products, the Arsenal Builder Kit also includes a soft microfiber mitt, wheel and rim flagged brush, weave towel, and an array of other supplies. The Chemical Guys don't only deliver all you need in a convenient bundle, they also take your foamy fun to the next level with an attractive price tag. All you need to achieve happiness by riding in a clean car. An ideal gift for car lovers. Moving on at number 4, we have the MEGUIAR'S Motorcycle Care Kit. Keeping your car clean and shiny is nice and all, but what if you also have a motorcycle? If you think that using the same products on both vehicles will do, you're wrong. Two-wheel vehicles need special care, and you don't have to lose an arm and a leg for getting the right cleaning and detailing kit. You only have to pick MEGUIAR'S Motorcycle Care Kit. This motorcycle care kit comprises all products and supplies needed to clean and protect your beloved bike. With items designed specifically for this kind of vehicle, you can rest assured you'll protect the paintwork, leather, vinyl, metal, and even plastic parts. Perhaps the most valuable product in this kit is the no-slip leather conditioner developed to clean the seat without leaving behind slippery residues. Besides the variety of products, we also like that they are all perfectly sized to fit in a saddlebag or small compartment. If you like using a pressure washer for car cleaning, be sure to pick the right pressure washer detergent from our list. At number 3, we have the MEGUIAR'S G55012 Classic Wash and Wax Kit. Car lovers in search of a cheap cleaning and detailing kit might love this classic wash and wax kit by MEGUIAR'S. It contains 8 pieces and is loaded with quality products that'll not only keep your vehicle clean and shiny, but that'll also cut off cleaning time. For the exterior of your car, the kit includes the brand's acclaimed Gold Class Car Wash, a car shampoo developed to gently clean dirt and grime. An optical brightener in the wash will add brightness, while the one-step cleaner wax will turn your car impeccable. As for the tires, the package includes the Hot Rims All-Wheel and Tire Cleaner that, as its name suggests, will leave your tires and wheels pristine. A nice touch compared to other kits is the Quick Interior Detailer Cleaner that works wonders on most interior materials, from plastic to vinyl, leather, rubber, and metal. It only cleans audio and visual equipment, so the only other thing you need to add to this kit is an upholstery shampoo. The kit also includes a rag and 2 sponges. They might be insufficient but are still a great start. All wrapped in an attractive price tag. For more amazing products like this, check out our guide to the best tire repair kits. At number 2, we have the AAdam 17-piece Arsenal Builder Wash Kit. It's easy to think of the Chemical Guys when saying Arsenal Builder, but the brand is not the only one proposing Arsenal Builder kits. And this kit is nothing but AAdam's response to the 16-piece kit featured above. This kit from AAdam's contains 17 pieces and all you need to clean your car professionally at home. Undeniably, the most valuable piece is the foam gun that allegedly works perfectly with just a garden hose. Sure, if you want to get lots of foam, you'll still need a pressure washer. Otherwise, the garden hose might do the trick just fine. Besides a wealth of products formulated to clean and shine all the parts of your car, the kit also contains auxiliary supplies, including sponges, towels, wash mitts, and even a bucket. Considering that both AAdam's and the Chemical Guys have high-quality products, it's somewhat hard to justify AAdam's Arsenal builder price. However, if you're a fan of the brand and would like a convenient bundle, then this kit is undoubtedly the perfect one. For more must-have car gear, check out our guide to the best car battery chargers. And finally at number 1, we have the MEGUIAR'S G55146 All-in-One Essentials Car Care Kit. MEGUIAR'S All-in-One Essentials Car Care Kit is perfect for beginners and car owners who want to clean their car without investing too much time and energy in the process. It contains 11 pieces, including a large bucket, a wash mitt, a waffle towel, as well as 3 soft microfiber towels. Designed to add great value in a concentrated formula, the kit comes with a 2-in-1 car wash and wax that does, well, exactly what it says on the bottle. You'll also get a hot shine tire coating developed to enhance the looks of your tires, as well as a convenient glass cleaner that rarely leaves wet marks. If you're concerned about interior detailing, know that cleaning the dash, leather, vinyl, metal, and plastic parts is a breeze with the convenient wipes. You won't have to bother with any spraying of products and polishing with rags, which is awesome. We also like the attractive price tag. Like most MEGUIAR'S kits, the All-in-One Essentials is affordable and packs all indispensables. Just what you need for making your car pristine with little fuss. You may also be interested in some of the best car gadgets from our list, so check them out. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.